Hello everyone, myself Surendra Kumar Singh. Welcome to my class. Today we will discuss Chapter 4 Simple Equation Exercise 4.3 from NCERT book. Question number 1. Solve the following equations. In this question number 1, 10 sums are there. See, question number 1, 10 sums. Question number 1, 10 sums are here. So I will solve different sums, 5 sums, and rest 5 sums I am going to leave you for practice. Now start. I am going to start the solution. A number question first I will solve you. See, A number 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. It's very easy, children. Don't worry. Easy rule. Variable we keep left side and number we send right side. This is general rule. So in this question 2y is the variable and plus 5 by 2 is the number. So this 5 by 2 you send right side. 2y equal to 37 minus 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. This implies that sign. Do you know whenever you write before equal if it is written and after equal it is written, so we write implied that sign. This is the name of this sign is implied that sign. After this step again you write implied that sign. 2y equal to, take the LCM of denominator, both are same denominator, so LCM will be same. Now you divide. 2 1 is 2, 1 times it goes, 1 into 37 you multiply. The rule is, basic rule is, so you have to divide first, then you multiply. Minus 2 1 is 2, 1 times it goes, 1 into 5, 5. Next step, 2y equal to 37 minus 5, 32 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. 2y equal to 16. Therefore, y equal to 16 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. Therefore, y equal to 8. This is the solution of the question number 1. Okay. Now, question number 2. Next question, B number. 5t plus 28 equal to 10. This question also very easy. 5t plus 28. So this is 28. Use this 28 send to right side. 5t equal to 10 minus 28. Plus sign will convert into minus sign. 5t equal to 10 minus 28. Plus minus minus, so you subtract 28 minus 10 minus 18. Why you write minus sign? Because the sign before bigger digit is minus. Implies that sign you write because before equal after equal it is written. Here also implies that sign. Therefore t equal to minus 18 by 5. So this is the answer. C number. Ay 5 plus 3 equal to 2. Ay 5 equal to, this 3 is in right side, sign will plus 3 will convert into minus 3, 2 minus 3. Ay 5 equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. If no denominator, write 1. Now you cross multiply when before equal after equal. If it is given in the fraction then you have to cross multiply. So a into 1 a, then 5 1 is 5 minus 5. So this is the answer. Therefore a equal to minus 5. Here you have to write implied that sign. Here you have to write implied that sign. Don't forget to write implied that sign. And in therefore sign. Okay. Next sum is D is the similar, so I am not doing D. I am doing E. 5 by 2x equal to minus 10. It's very easy. If denominator is not given 1, you write 1. Now you cross multiply 5x into 1. 5x equal to 2 into 10 minus 20. Therefore, x equal to minus 20 by 5. Now it's very easy to cancel 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. Therefore, x equal to minus 4 is the answer. Next question. Next question, F number. F number is 5 by 2x equal to 25 by 4. Again, you see before equal, after equal. Only numbers are given in the fraction. It means that you have to cross multiply. No plus sign, minus sign. Then you have to think that you have to cross multiply. Okay, 5x into 4, 5 4 is 20, so 20x equal to 2 into 25, you multiply 2 into 25. Therefore, x equal to 2 into 25 by 20. Now it's very easy to cancel it. 2 1 is 2, 2 10 is 20. 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. What is left? X equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Now, next question. G number. 7m plus 19 by 2 equal to 13. In this question also it's very easy. 19 by 2 same right side. 7m equal to 13 minus 19 by 2. Right implies that sign. 7m equal to, if no denominator here you write 1. Take the LCM of 1 and 2. LCM will be 2. Divide by 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 times it goes. Then you multiply to 13. 13 2 is 26. Minus 2 1 is 2. 1 times it goes. 1 into 19. 19. 7m equal to 26 minus 19. 7 by 2. 26 minus 19 is separate. It comes 7. Therefore, m equal to 7 by 2, this 7 will come down, 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, it will cut. What is left? Therefore, m equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now, last question I am going to solve. J. 2b by 3 minus 5 equal to 3. It's also very easy. Minus 5 you send right side. 2b by 3 equal to 3 plus 5. 2b by 3 equal to 3 plus 5, 8. If no denominator, write 1. After that you cross multiply. 2b into 1, 2b equal to 8 into 3. Therefore, b equal to 8 into 3 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. Therefore, b equal to 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 is the answer. 12 is the answer. Okay. So this way, question number 1, different sums I have completed. Now come to question number 2. What is given? See, question number 2. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Question number A, 2 in the bracket x plus 4 bracket close equal to 12. So 5 sums are there. I will solve 2 questions. Okay, 2 sums A and B, and rest C, D, E you have to solve yourself. It's very easy. So A and D I am going to solve. Okay, here is minus sign. So this B, C and E you have to solve yourself. Okay. Now 1 A, 2 ka A. Question number 2. A number sum. 2 into x plus 4 in the bracket is given equal to 12. So, see the question. If in the question, if bracket is there, and before bracket if any number is there, so you multiply to each one by one. 2 into x, 2x, then these two again next number in the bracket. 2 4 ja 8. If here is plus sign, you write plus sign. If minus sign, you write minus sign. Equal to 12. Next step, it's very easy. Variable you keep left side and number is on right side. So 2x equal to 12 minus 8. So 2x equal to 12 minus 8, 4. Therefore x equal to 4 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Therefore x equal to 2. You write implied sign. Here also therefore. Okay, 2a is completed. 2a is 2 का a number question is complete. Now b number, b not d number I told you. Minus 4, 2 plus x equal to 18. Why I am solving this sum? Because minus sign is there before bracket. So you will think that how it will do, how we can convert the sign. So that is why I am explaining this question. See, again same process, you have to multiply one by one. Minus 4 2, you have to multiply 4 2 is 8. So minus 8. Minus plus minus 4 into x, if you multiply it will be 4x equal to 18. You remember one thing, if before bracket if any minus sign is there, when you break the bracket sign will change. Whatever numbers are there in the bracket, all sign will change. Minus 4 2 ja 8 and minus, you write here minus 4 2 ja minus 8, minus plus minus 4 into x, if you multiply 4x equal to 18. Now which digit you have to send? Right side. Minus 8 minus x equal to 18. This minus sign, a minus 8 will come right side and convert into plus sign, plus 8. Minus x equal to 18 plus 8, you add it, 8 plus 8 16, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2. So therefore x equal to minus sign will come here, so it will be minus 26 is the answer. So you write here implied that sign, you write implied that sign, therefore 2 times. Okay, this way question number 2 sums I have solved, and 3 different sums, no different sums, very easy. A I have solved, D I have solved, and similar to A, B, C, D, C and E are there, so you can solve very easy. Okay, now next sums, question number 3, solve the following equation. It's also very easy. See, question number 3, A number, 4 equal to 5p minus 2. Okay, before bracket is 4, no problem. I told you before bracket here 5 is there, so you multiply one by one. 5 to p you multiply first. 4 equal to 5 into p, 5p minus 5 to the 10. Again you multiply to this one by one. 5 to the 10. So what is your next step? 5p keep here separately and my numbers you send left side. 4 plus 10. Why plus sign? Because minus sign will convert into plus when you send before equal or after equal. Equal to 5p. 10 plus 4, 14 equal to 5p. Therefore p equal to 14 by 5. Okay, so this is the answer you can keep. But one thing remember children, when denominator is less than numerator, so you can convert into mixed fraction. How can you convert into mixed fraction? You can see 5 to 10, 14 you divide it. 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 4 minus 0, 4 you subtract here. So what is left? 2 4 by 5 is the answer. You can check it again. 2 5 are 10 plus 4, 14 by 5 it comes. So this way you can check it. When you convert into mixed fraction, when denominator is less than numerator. It's okay. So this way a number, 3 का a number complete हो गया. And similar questions are here. So again I am going to solve next question. Next question I am solving b number, 3 का b. -4 equal to 5 in the bracket p minus 2. Say -4 equal to this 5 to p, first you multiply 5 into p, 5p minus 5 to the again in this you multiply to this 5 to 10. After that -10 you send left side, -4 plus 10 equal to 5p. 10 minus 4 6 equal to 5p. Okay, therefore p equal to 6 by 5. You must write imply that sign here, therefore. So when denominator is less than numerator, so you convert into mixed fraction. 1 by 5 is the answer. You can check it, it's sum or not. 5 1 is 5 plus 1 6 by 5. This way you have to check also. So it's very easy, children. I think you can do 3. I have solved 1, A and B also. C, D, E is very easy. I think you can solve also. Or one more question I am going to solve you. E numbers. E number I am going to solve you for you. E number. See, E number. E number I am going to solve you. 0 equal to 16 plus 4m minus 6. Okay. See, 0 equal to 16 plus 4 into m you multiply first, 4m minus 4 6 is 24. Okay. Now 4m is here, you send left side, it comes minus 4m. Okay, what is left? minus 24 plus 16. So माइनस प्लस माइनस 24 में 16 सेपरेट कर दीजिए आप. क्या होगा? 24 minus 16 minus 8. Why minus 8? Because the sign before bigger digit is minus. Now minus and minus, this will be cancelled before equal or after equal. If both signs are same, then you can cancel it. Therefore m equal to 8 by 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Therefore m equal to 2 answer. Okay, so this is question number 3. I have completed, only 2 sums I have left, so you can do it, children. Now the question number 4, these sums I am going to explain you. Okay, 4a and b. Okay, children, it's very easy, don't worry. See, question number 4. First question is construct 3 equation starting with x equal to 2. So we have to take first x equal to 2. ओके, ए नंबर. इससे हमको 3 इक्वेशन बनाना है. तो पहला इक्वेशन में हम क्या करेंगे कि मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड बाई 5. तो दोनों तरफ हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 5 से इस पर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 5x इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 2 10. यू मल्टीप्लाई हियर 5 इंटू x, 5x इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 5 इक्वल टू 2 5 10. So this way it comes. So first equation is completed. This is the first one. Second, for second equation subtract 3 from both side. इसमें तीनों में, दोनों साइड में 3 घटाने से. Before equal you subtract 3, 5x minus 3. Here also you subtract 3, 10 minus 3. So दोनों साइड में 3 घटाने से, तो 3 घटा दिए. 5x minus 3 equal to 10 minus 3. 5x minus 3 equal to 10 minus 3, it comes 7. So this way second equation is completed. This way second equation is completed. 5x minus 3 equal to 10 minus 3. So 10 minus 3 7. Here we can't subtract because one is variable and one is number. Okay, so second equation is completed. For third equation, divide both side by 5. इन सेम इक्वेशन वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 2। तो इसमें भी 2 से डिवाइड किए, इसमें भी 2 से डिवाइड किए, इसमें भी 2 से डिवाइड किए। देखिए 2 से डिवाइड किए ना, तो दिस वे अगेन थर्ड इक्वेशन इज कंप्लीटेड। 5x/2 - 3/2 = 7/2। ओके, so this way question number 4 A number sum is completed. Now for B number question, see children, construct 3 equation starting with x = -2. solve x = -2 पहले लेंगे हम, ये जो दिया हुआ क्वेश्चन में। तो सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स, इसमें भी 2 माइनस करेंगे, इसमें भी 2 माइनस करेंगे, तो x -2 हो गया इक्वल टू -2 क्योंकि इसमें भी हमको 2 सेपरेट करना है दोनों साइड। तो x -2 इक्वल टू -2 सेम साइन एडिशन 4। तो फर्स्ट आंसर इज कंप्लीटेड, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन। इसमें भी हमको 3 इक्वेशन बनाना था, इसमें भी 3 इक्वेशन बनाना था, क्वेश्चन ए नंबर में भी। बी में अब हम क्या करेंगे, फिर वही एक इक्वेशन लिए x = -2, इसमें हम 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इसमें हम 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किए दोनों साइड, तो इसमें भी 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किए तो 7x हो गया इक्वल टू, इसमें मल्टीप्लाई किए 7 से, 2 × 7 -2 × 7, तो 7x = -14। दिस वे सेकेंड इक्वेशन इज कंप्लीटेड। फॉर थर्ड इक्वेशन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 14 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड, जो आफ्टर इक्वल में जो नंबर आता है उसी को हम सेपरेट करते हैं। आप दूसरा भी नंबर भी सेपरेट कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो 7x - 14, अब हम इसमें भी -14 सेपरेट किए और इसमें भी, तो क्या रिजल्ट आया, -7x - 14 इक्वल टू -14 तो पहले से था, फिर -14 आई हैव सेपरेट, क्योंकि हम यहाँ भी सेपरेट किए -14, यहाँ भी सेपरेट किए, तो 7x - 14 इक्वल टू -14 +28, लेकिन साइन माइनस का ही रखेंगे, सेम साइन एडिशन में ऐड करने के बाद साइन माइनस का रहता है। तो दिस वे 3 इक्वेशन हमारा बन गया, बी में भी, इस क्वेश्चन में भी, दोनों में 3 इक्वेशन बनाना था। सो दिस वे आई हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल सम्स फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 4.3। ओके चिल्ड्रेन, इफ एनी डाउट्स you can write in comments, I will try to make it clear.